Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how to fix Gcash app Redmi and Xiaomi phone. Your setting is not secure problem. Let's see how to solve. First open on setting, then scroll down, tap on apps, click on three dot menu, tap on other setting, tap on reset app preference and tap on reset app. Back on setting and tap on additional settings and scroll down, click on developer option and turn off developer option. Thanks for watching.